The third bad trait is that a person does not keep their tongue under control. Imam Ali says that whoever makes their tongue their master has humiliated themselves. The tongue being in control means a person speaks without thinking, saying whatever comes to mind. It is said that a word spoken is like an arrow shot from a bow, it cannot be taken back. That's why civilized society teaches us to think before speaking. The tongue is an organ of the human body that is like a double-edged sword. Through the tongue, a person gains respect, and through the tongue, a person is humiliated. Luqman Hakim was tested by his master, who gave him a goat and told him to bring the best parts of it. Luqman slaughtered the goat and brought the tongue and heart to his master. The next day, the master gave him another goat and told him to bring the worst parts. Luqman again brought the heart and tongue. The master asked, "What's the meaning of this? Yesterday I asked for the best parts, and today I asked for the worst parts, yet you brought the same things both days." Luqman replied, "If the heart and tongue are pure, there is nothing better than them. If they are impure, there is nothing worse." Imam Jafar al-Sadiq, A.S., said that Abu Dar used to say in his sermons, "O seekers of knowledge, the tongue is the key to both good and evil. Just as you lock away gold and silver, lock away your tongue." Thus, Imam Ali mentioned 3 bad habits of humans in this saying, all leading to the same result: humiliation and